In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do gamification on Circle. So for the year 25, whether you're enhancing user engagement or simply adding a touch of fun to your community, gamification can be a powerful tool. So let's dive in and walk through these steps together. First, make sure you're logged into your Circle.so admin account. This is your command center and the only place where you can tweak settings to integrate gamification into your community. Once you're logged in, cast your eyes toward your profile photo. Click there to bring up a drop-down menu, then select Settings followed by Gamification. You'll now be in the section where all the magic happens. Next, there's a toggle switch that says Enable Gamification. Click it to turn it on. By doing so, you're essentially telling the system that you're ready to start rewarding your community members for their activities. Gamification not only incentivizes engagement, but can really bring your community to life, encouraging more participation. Once you've enabled gamification, scroll down to find Points Settings. Here, you'll add actions for which members can earn points. Click Add Action, and you'll see a list of activities like posting, commenting, and even joining a space. Choose an action that you believe is most valuable for your community's interaction, and assign a suitable number of points to it. After you've made your selections, ensure you hit Save to store these settings. Remember, this is a great opportunity to direct your community's energy towards activities that matter most. Moving on, it's time to look at badges. Scroll down to Badges and click Add Badge. Next, upload a badge image. This could be anything that represents the achievement's value or theme. Give your badge a name and specify the number of points required to unlock it. Don't forget to click Save. These badges will be a key motivator for members to earn more points. Feel free to repeat this step to create additional badges, each symbolizing different levels of achievement within the community. Now, to fuel a bit of friendly competition, scroll to Leaderboard Settings. Enable the leaderboard here, and decide in which spaces it will be visible. This not only allows members to see where they stand, but also adds a layer of fun rivalry that can spur activity. Press Save Changes once you're done configuring these settings. Finally, sit back and watch as the pieces fall into place. With these settings active, community members will now earn points, unlock badges, and see their standings on the leaderboard as they engage more with the community. This can lead to heightened excitement and a more vibrant atmosphere for everyone involved. So there you have it. In just a few steps, you've set up gamification on your Circle. So community helping foster an environment that rewards active participation.